Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an unboxing of the HillCo MiniMax 9-frame honey extractor. And to say it's hot and humid is an understatement. I'm telling you, it is hot today. So we're gonna get this going right away. I'm hoping this is indeed the extractor because it's labeled as a 19-gallon heated bottling tank. I guess we'll find out. Here we go. And there you have it. It is indeed the honey extractor. It was just labeled wrong on the box. All right, let's continue to take this out and we'll set it up. All right, we've got it out of the box. Now we just need to get it out of the bubble wrap. Probably the last time it'll ever be shiny. Once you start getting some use on stuff like it, it generally gets scuffed up and looks like it's been used. All right, I think the next thing to do is to get the legs out, and we'll go ahead and put the legs on it. Now the extractor does come in two separate boxes. This is the box for the legs. We'll go ahead and get her out. Now those are some nice thick legs, all stainless, heavy duty, just what you'd want on an extractor leg. Also has rubber feet. Very nice. Now my initial thought was, why not put the legs in the same box? You got the corners here, you could put some kind of cardboard piece in there that would hold the legs. But I see now the legs are too big to go in a box. That's why it's shipped in two separate boxes. Now, a little side note, don't give it all you got here tightening these down. They can push all the way in against the side of the extractor, and you don't want any beveling or pushing in the side. All right, now we're going to assemble the honey gate. And first thing to do is put the O-ring in here. Just fits right in that groove. And then we're going to put the, that's nice how they engraved their company name on there. All right, we're going to put the screw with the spring on this side, and that'll hold tension, so that it doesn't just And you can tighten it down and it'll stay tighter, or loosen it up and it'll be looser. And then the one without the spring goes on this side. Just like that. Now the next thing to do is to take this plastic off here, and I'm going to unscrew these so I can get the plastic completely off. Let's see here. Yeah, you really don't need that. They've got wing nuts. So there you have it. Just take those off. That would make it very easy to clean in the future. You could very easily undo this. And there's two. Now we're just going to peel this plastic off of here. Oh, hold up. Probably ought to take this off as well. Alright, you need the wing nuts. It'd be nice if I hadn't put everything so far away. And there you have it, guys. The HillCo MiniMax 9-frame honey extractor. Alright guys, so there you have it, the unboxing of the HillCo 9-frame honey extractor. And I can't wait to get into this. I'm going to do a full product review on it and show you some of the new features that HillCo has implemented on this 9-frame extractor. And they've got quite a few new upgrades, so stay tuned to that. I'll put that right up here. And all you got to do is click on that link and watch it. Alright guys, thanks for sticking around. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.